So here we are getting ready for the summer 2018-19 mountain bike season. We're going to head up the hill, check in with the trail crew, see what the boys have got planned. I've heard some pretty exciting stuff happening this season. Some new changes to the flow, some big jumps down the bottom of the downhill track. It's going to be exciting summer. Let's go see what's in plan.
Got a bit of work to do, a lot of snow again, same as last year. We've got the machines digging snow where we can, the boys raking the trail, making it look good. And we've got a pretty cool new finish to the downhill this year, which I'm pretty keen to show everybody on opening weekend.
We've got two machines operating down here at the moment. Bit of a change for this year with no exit to the flow coming in the tree, so it's going to have two downhill lines. But yeah, the boys are getting ready. It's going to be a huge summer. Opening day is November 17. It's going to be a massive party on the Saturday night. We'll see you all here.